Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. It's a beautiful day out there. I'm going to get right to it. Last night we went to Mother Russia in 1871. I prepared a special beef stroganoff that has a lineage from 1871. It's a little different. It was good. Simple, fairly quick, and it's actually really good. It's different from the modern beef stroganoff. And this one's for you, Bob Harlan. All right, tonight, simple meal. I'm going to prepare a honey garlic sausage pasta. There's technically the word skillet on the back of that. After reviewing the recipe, I'm going to change something up. Basically, they want you to cook the pasta in the skillet. I like to do my pasta or cook my pasta before and then add it. So let's get to it. Got the hardware out, got the brazier and a Dutch oven for the pasta, brazier for everything else. A couple of smoked sausage. I do believe these are jalapeno and some kind of cheese. Yeah. I bought a 4-pack. These are 2. Salt, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil for the brazier. I'll chop up half of this onion. Of course, you've got to have garlic, half a yellow pepper, and half a red pepper, which will be roughly chopped. Of course, I'm using mini penne pasta. Some chicken stock. I'm showing half and half, but I'm going to go pick up some cream, heavy cream. Got to have some honey if there's honey in the title, and some fresh. This is a few days old. Parsley for garnish. So here's all the goodies for tonight's meal. Yesterday was fun. I finished up the old sour. It's in the cold box doing its thing. I have a couple blends I need to blend today for a customer. Actually, he's my pool guy. Him and his wife, his name is Brady. Him and his wife are both foodies. Yeah. Gotta love those foodies. And that means you. All right. On this Thursday, have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.